having a little rearrange of my office. Because I've got this rail up here for filming now, I wanted to have a switch around. It's been the kind of same layout for, yeah, about the whole time we've been here now. So I've moved my desk, did it by myself, took a while. Sorry, Maurice is trying to get into the toilet. I think he knows that the butterflies are in there. Leave them alone, please. They are not yours to be had. Look, you can go on my desk instead. I was here in front of the kind of windows, but the lighting was always really bad when I did my makeup. Like, I'd go out with chin hairs coming out all over the shop, and my mum would be like, why? Why have you not like blended your makeup in? And it's because I couldn't see what I was doing. So I've moved my desk to here against this wall, and I like it. I've got a mirror there, I've got another mirror, I've got a lamp. It's next to my full-length mirror, and ignore all the mess because I'm now trying to sort everything out, but it doesn't look too like close. It doesn't feel too claustrophobic in this filming space. So yeah, I'm really happy with this. Now I've just got to sort everything out, and I thought I'd start with putting up some pictures. Obviously I've got my gallery wall here, but I've got way more that I want to add and a couple more bigger frames. So I've decided that I want to put this My Favourite Murder signed print up above here on that wall. I think that would look great. I love the colours of that. I've also got these frames from a charity shop and I haven't put anything in them yet. So I've got some old vintage cigarette cards here from 1913, very old. I know that they're kind of controversial to have like a collector's item in a cigarette pack, but I heard about these when I was playing Red Dead Redemption 2. In the PlayStation game there's a little bit where like a collectible bit where you can collect cigarette cards and like complete the set, and I had no idea it was a real thing in real life. I was gobsmacked when I heard that it was a real thing, and so I found these, and these are the first aid cigarette set pack. So I think I'm going to choose one and maybe put it in this frame because it's kind of cute. Well, I'm obviously going to put My Favourite Murder podcast on as well, aren't I?
Hot dog. Okay.
On the stage, yeah, that's so good. Continuing with the home improvements, this is what we're doing. This wall is a bit of a dead space. We did think about knocking it down when we first moved in, but I think it's like a supporting wall that's holding the ceiling up. So we've decided to make the most of it and put up all of our Polaroids from over the years, and I just dug out my memory box of like Polaroids and pictures, and I have some that go so far back. They're so funny. I've got pictures that G and I took on like one of our first ever dates. We went on a little photography walk and took the Polaroid, and this was it. So cute. We've got some from a little summer holiday, well, winter holiday in Bungay with my family. Got one of our friends' weddings, got a house party, and then in this box I've just got so many others from events a very long time ago. Oh my god, I think this is my BAFTA pic when I went to the BAFTAs with Soph. So funny. Can't remember what that was for. Oh, that was my old PO box at Gleam, I think. And then like these are going back so far. Look at this. This is like 2013 YouTube days with Joe Sugg. Some more weddings, more Halloween parties. Naomi and Kat Methan at a Bare Minerals event. I need to like properly look through some of these because they're so funny. Starting to look so good. I think it's gonna look awesome when it's all covered, but that might be when we move out. So many nice memories now. Excuse me. Excuse me. No, it's okay. No, it's okay. No! Okay, you. Come on. I'm going to show you guys one of my favourite brunchy lunches right now. So yesterday we made some vegetable fritters, which was so easy. We literally just grated courgette, carrot, added some sweet corn, grated some Brussels sprouts. Anything else in there? I put some chilies and spring onions in there and mixed it with some gram flour, like bit by bit, like squeezing all the juice out to make it stick into patties. So yeah, fritters, veggie fritters. They look like this. We're just reheating them today in the air fryer. So we're having that for lunch with some fried eggs, my new favourite way. So basically, I crumble in some feta, I chop up some kimchi, fry it, crack an egg in the middle. Oh, and it's just so good, like ready to like slap on a piece of toast. We might slap ours on our fritters. Oh, Maurice! Sitting on the bar stool. Oh, Maurice! He's in the background of the vlog! He's waiting for his lunch. Do you want some food? What do you want for brunch?
Fish?
Tuna?
Butterflies?
Dreamies? Yours the cutest thing, Maurice.
I think I do want
So it looks like that, and it's starting to like melt and crisp up. This is not in the recipe, but I'm also going to add a little bit of chili oil onto this. Get it open. Yeah. And then you want to cut up some kimchi. This is our fave brand. Oh wait. And then you just pick it up, like you chop it around dense. Right, that enough kimchi. And then you crack an egg in the middle. Babe, can you film this please? That's a big one. Shit. Well, these eggs are cute. So that's the general gist. Okay, ignore the fritters, but I'm just going to top with some chives and some spring onions. Want more chives? There we go. Oh, and then also for the topping station, what? I don't even know what these are. Little sprouts. They look very good for you, and they don't really taste like anything, so they're good for topping on top of stuff. That literally looks like it's going to grow a beanstalk in my stomach, doesn't it? Whoa, look at that, it looks well healthy. I just got back from picking some clothes that I've had altered and adjusted at the tailor's. I've got 7 different trousers and jumpsuits here that I needed adjusting. I actually filmed some before clips of me wearing each of the items. So now I'm gonna try them on again, make sure they fit, but also film the after shots. I might put this up on maybe definitely my TikTok, maybe also my Instagram. Hair up in a bun because I haven't washed it in a while and it's getting to that stage. I'm going to film this, and then I'm really excited to film a few more fashion pieces because, well, firstly I should say it's September today. It's the 1st of September, which means it is officially No Spend September month. So yeah, I'm going to do this again where I don't buy anything new for the whole month of September. I can buy stuff, but it can only be second hand or thrifted. So if there's anything I want, I am all ready to go and look at my Vinted and Depop and eBay apps to see if I can find what I need on there. There is one thing I want, and it's a cropped blazer. I just feel like that's a really smart addition to my wardrobe. It's easy to wear like a cardigan, but a little bit smarter than a cardi. That bun did not turn out well, so I'm going to do that again. Okay, just wanted to show you guys this. I got the trousers of this taken up because they were super long, but one of my friends is getting married in like 2 weeks time, and I think this is what I'm going to wear for it. So it's a 2-piece, it's a waistcoat and like a high-waisted super wide leg trousers, and I just love this set. I'm so glad it fits now. I got it to fit with my wedding heels because these are like my go-to night out shoes now. So yeah, they look like the perfect length for those now. And yeah, what do you guys think about this as like a wedding guest option? I do love wearing a suit to a wedding rather than a dress sometimes. The top is quite big on me. It would be kind of nicer if it was a bit tight, being as the bottoms are so baggy, but maybe I could wear it open with like a little crop top underneath or something instead. So I'm really excited about this. Also, if you're thinking that my face is looking very white and my body is looking very orange, it's because it is. I fake tanned yesterday for the first time in ages and I didn't realise how bad I did it. Can you see? It's like tanned and then not. Like I just was being a bit lazy with it and didn't blend it in properly. But I do love what I look like with the tan. But I always do get scared of taking it above my face because fake tan on my face makes me paranoid. If you guys have ever had acne or struggled with bad skin, you'll know that you don't want to put too many products on your face. And for me, in my head, I know this probably isn't the case, but in my head, fake tan will cause spots. Maybe I need to like bronze my face up a little bit. But I am enjoying how tanned I am looking. Oh my god. Oh, I did it really bad. That is a fake tan fail. It's a nice colour though. Really love it. I might like buff this and reapply to the backs of my arms so it doesn't look quite so bad. Today's the day. Finally putting my frames up. So I've got one going above the rail there. Do you want a pin? Pin.
A pencil.
A pencil. Yeah. Well, I'm feeling a little bit hungover today, guys. We had our friend's housewarming yesterday and it was just like a quite civilised dinner party. We all took round a dish. I made a taco dal. Her Spanish friends made this really nice like tortilla, cheese and potato. Oh, it was good. And then she and her housemate made a Mexican like homemade corn tacos and like this. Yeah, just very nice Mexican. I had quite a lot of wine, so feeling fragile. I had to order a hash brown as soon as I woke up. It was that kind of hungover. So I think I'll definitely having a chilled one today, but also trying to be a little bit productive. Cleans the house a tiny bit. There's a frame I want to add on here, but I can't find it, so I think I'm gonna have a little mooch around for where I've hidden it. Just so unorganised. Do you want a pin? Okay, I think I want this one. Yeah. What do you think? Or here? Maybe there.
Yeah, that's cool.
Got a nice little new plant for my office. Actually, we went to the garden centre yesterday. I need to show you guys the plants we got. We haven't named them yet. But maybe we could do like some sort of vote. Some sort of poll. Your eye's getting bad. I can read it.
It's like tiny yellow writing. 9.2.
2.1. 21.
21.
Ouch.
Half of 21. 10.5.
10. Why can't I
Pencil.
find anything?
Pencil.
What have you done with it? There you go. It's a boy pencil, that. Fancy. Got some pills. Shit. Can you see that? Oh.
Awful.
Shit! Where is it? Where's my frame gone? What did I do with it? I found the one I was looking for. My mum bought me this, I think for Christmas last year. So it's finally going up on the wall now. Oh, that's awesome. That's so good.
Do you want to have that in a bit more? Or it's kind of...
Let's have a look. Okay, here we go. So I've added two up here, a little frame down here. I've hung my YSL poster here. I absolutely love this. I picked this up in Marrakesh at the YSL Saint Laurent Museum. And yeah, I feel like this just completes this little space now, so I'm so happy with that. I've had this little mirror jewellery holder for ages, but I haven't put her up yet. need to give her a bit of a clean, but I can like hang necklaces off this now, which I thought would be a really nice accompaniment to this chest that I have in here, which I need to declutter because right now it's so full of stuff. And then I've really badly hung to kind of vinyl. It's one of my favourite albums on vinyl, but I've hung it so wonky, and also the walls here are a little bit wonky as it is, so they do look a bit off, but I think that's a perfect place for both of those. This is one of my new plants. I got this one specifically because I know it is so easy to care for, because you can tell when she needs a water because her leaves will start just drooping like this, and then as soon as you've given her a drink, her leaves pop back up like this. So yeah, she's very, very easy to tell, and she's also cat friendly. Then I also got this one. I can't remember what this is called, but we've got one downstairs and she's so gorgeous. Again, quite easy to care for. I've just popped her here for now. So nice little bit of greenery now when I do my outfit pictures. I also really wanted to get a hanging plant for this planter, but the one I bought, I should have really measured it before I got home, but the one I bought doesn't fit. This is what I picked up. She's so gorgeous, very, very healthy. Our garden centre is so great. Like, all of the plants we purchased have got like new leaves sprouting. But yeah, the rim is just a tiny bit too wide, which is such a shame. So I will go and get a different kind of hanging planter for her. But I think in the meantime, I'm going to take this down to the bedroom because we've got some really cool hooks in our room, which I think would look great. Also have this little mirror. I think I got this from Tiger. Very, very cool. But I think this might look better maybe in the bedroom, so I'm going to take this down. Yeah, I think this mirror is going to go so well in the bedroom. We've got these two nails in the wall already, so I'm just going to hang it on one of them. I mean, it's too tall for me to see in, but I think it goes a bit nicer. It kind of goes with our lampshade. And then these are also the hanging planters. We have these really cool hooks up on the ceiling. I still need to paint over that bit of the hole we made in the wall. Yeah, I want to get some more of these hooks and then have them kind of going along with some real kind of vines going down. So that's another little project. This plant here is our new Monstera. I can't believe how tall she is. Absolutely huge. We've had this one for quite a while now, and it's very easy to look after. Same one that's in my office, but this is our Monstera. And I've always looked at plants like this in like cafes and restaurants and been so jealous, because look how healthy and beautiful and big these leaves are. This one in particular, oh my goodness, my hand in comparison. And this is actually taller than me, this tree, like literally taller than me. So we've put her here, and from the sofa, this is just like a super cozy tropical paradise. And then we're also trying to work out ways to like make a bit of a statement with our stained glass windows that G's dad gave to us. So there's two of them. We're experimenting with putting a light behind it at the moment, just to make it a bit of a feature. But yeah, we definitely want to work a way to do this. We're thinking maybe like hanging with like a backlight. But if you've got any ideas, let me know. We've also had a bit of a rearrange in here. So I've put up my printer's board. I think I either want to get a panel of glass to cover this so I can put things in it, or I'll just tack things down in there. And then we've made our radio into a little bit of a kind of bar cart vibe going on.